Hi, welcome, namaste. Welcome on your tarot card readings. I am doing a deepest, darkest feelings of your person for you today. I hope that you love this reading. If you love it, tell me in the comment section, or maybe you can like this video and subscribe to my channel for sure. In case you're new here, definitely you can subscribe to this channel. We do love readings every single day. Check out my other videos for sure. Okay, so this is about your person's deepest, darkest feelings that they have told you or not told you. Maybe they are hidden in your person, and we are going to find it out from this particular tarot card reading. Okay. So I don't do the videos like these, but what are your person's deepest, darkest feelings regarding you or in general? Okay, this reading is timeless. This reading is not gender specific. So if you're a guy or a girl interested in a guy or a girl, take it how it resonates to you. Okay, now think about your partner for a second. Take their picture in your mind, how they look, how you see them, how they look at you. Think about that, and we're gonna find it out how your partner feels, what's hidden in their feelings that is deepest and darkest. Now there are some drums going on, okay, and ignore that completely. How are you guys? Holy Divine God, I connect with you. Kindly show me what my collective's person's deepest, darkest feelings. So we are gonna take some cards from this deck, and we are gonna check the clarity from a particular different deck. Okay. We have Queen of Pentacles as deep, darkest feelings. Okay. Six of Swords. Six of Wands is here. Wheel of Fortune. Certainly they have not told you these things. Five of Cups is here. Knight of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Wow, guys. What is happening? The Fool is here. Seven of Cups is here. Hierophant. Eight of Wands is here. Bottom of the deck, Ten of Wands. Okay. I'm gonna take the clarity now, guys. Okay. Universe, Divine God, give me the clarity for these cards, please. Four of Pentacles. Certainly your person, what they have not told you. So this person could be a gold digger. So I'm going to use some kind of words like that, because this is deepest, darkest feelings. It could be a hidden thing. This is about a marriage. Okay. Now this person has actually gone through some dark times, some deep times where they were not having enough money. This is about the lack mentality. This is about marrying a person for luck. So your person could have married someone for luck. Your person could have married you for luck. But this person wants to get married for luck. So this person is at Four of Pentacles, thinking less about themselves. And certainly they want to marry someone for luck, and they always want to, portray themselves as. So this is about the devil feeling within your person. um, how exactly your person is. There is some kind of, they are like a knight of pentacles, and they want to show as a king of pentacles, which means this person is a trickster. This person could be a trickster. Okay, your person could be a trickster regarding money, regarding finances. They either got married to someone for money. Look at that. There is a marriage involved here. There is someone. Your person also likes to keep in touch with high society people. Your person likes to keep in touch with those people who are rich. Your person likes these people who have contacts. Something like that is coming again and again. Okay, let's move forward about this. So we got the clarity about that. Your person definitely have went through a hard time in the past, or they are going through a hard time right now, which is 10 of Wands. I think this person wants to leave everything. Wherever they are right now, they want to leave everything, even their parents. I'm getting that. So today it's a deepest, darkest feelings, and take it how it resonates, guys. Okay, and I'm just a reader here. Okay, remember that. Please give me a clarity, universe, for this particular cards. Okay, again, the Wheel of Fortune, Knight of Swords. This person has dated a lot of people for money. This person has dated a lot of people for sex. This person is very much, I think they are like with the Seven of Cups here also. I think this person has some kind of addictions with these cards. Definitely Wheel of Fortune 2 times in a row. I think this person has been. So guys, this is not for everyone, only for those people who can hear this, who has some kind of, wanting to understand what this is about. Okay, now if your person has left you behind in the past and you guys are separated right now, or maybe living with each other, this person is after other people right now. Okay, this person did not like it that they let you go, but this person wanted money. This person wanted to go towards their dreams, and for their dreams, I'm getting that this person has a lot of uh, I feel like it's not just one thing about the addictions. Okay, this card is giving me addictions. This card like giving me a vibration of addictions, these both cards. But I'm getting this particular feeling about your person. They have a money addiction also. Even if they are working for the money, it's not sufficient for your person. It's not sufficient in whatever scenario they are right now. Okay, let's see this Page of Swords with the Page of Pentacles with the two different decks. I feel like your person is see, this is Ace of Swords. I did not know this card would show up. I did not even ask for this card. So this Ace of Swords, right? Your person have realized a lot of their mistakes regarding addictions, regarding money. They are a big materialistic person. Your person, it's not just a materialistic person, it is more than that. It is chasing money, chasing dreams, chasing money. See, do you see the red soles of the shoe Whenever you see the red sole of a shoe, it definitely, goes towards money, and a lot of money is coming wherein your person married someone for money. Okay, your person could have, I told you, this person is a trickster. Again and again, your person is a trickster. This is, see, everybody has good and bad sides both. So in case you have just looked at your person's good side, that's there for sure. I'm getting a lot of good vibes to your person also, but there are dark vibes. There are good and bad both to everyone of all of us, okay, in this life. But about your person, there is some kind of darkest feelings that we're reading, that they might have told you, that you might know or you don't know. Okay, in case you're not feeling to watch this particular reading, in case this reading can make you a little bit negative towards your person, so you can just skip this. But in case you're here and you still want to go forward, let's continue. Okay, now we have this Page of Pentacles. I feel like your person could have texted you for money also. Your person could wanted to date you for money also. Okay. This is 10 of Wands. This is Page of Pentacles. This is a Magician. In case you don't know, your person has a heavy side for money. There is some kind of, they also want to, so your person could marry someone, could get into a relationship with someone for money, for getting rich, for getting opportunities basically. Look at this. They want to feel, so this person, I feel like they have abandonment issues is very very strong. So your person is like very much holding on to negativity a lot. So I'm getting with these two cards, your person has a good side to them, where they are watching themselves as a amazing person, go-getter person, but in a good way, right? But this person has always taken the low road. This person has always, so they're very much practical. I would say that they're very much practical. But I'm getting like a lot of problems have occurred. This person has lost themselves into a lot of negativity, a lot of cluster, a lot of thoughts regarding regarding addictions. I'm getting addictions a lot, and it's not just money addictions. It's about, your person could be interested in rich, wealthy things, right? But they can't afford it. The thing is, in case you want things like that, but they can't afford it, right? So there is this. Okay, we have the Empress with the Hierophant. The Empress with the Hierophant is not a good connection. They're not supposed to be married, and I'm getting again and again, your person married someone for money. Again, yeah, money is there, earth energy is there, but they don't love that person, probably. Okay, they don't love the person that they are with right now. Let's see more. We have the Chariot in the reverse, but the Chariot, and Chariot is giving me this. Okay, can we get some more clarity on this, please? We have the Eight of Cups. With the Eight of Wands here. What is this? Could you please clarify, God? Could you please clarify about this scenario? Your person has missed a lot of steps in between whatever they wanted to achieve. A lot of steps are missing. So your person is more like a, a risk taker person, and not a good risk taker. Okay, this is more like, I want to take the low road, but I want to go high in life. So I'm getting that they have broken a lot of hearts in their life. They have met the ideal match, but they let it go. In case they have met the ideal match, but still it's not. They are not giving their ideal match the kind of love that they deserve. Okay, so your person is not giving enough love to anyone. They are always after their money, and they're looking for a faster growth. In case your person meets with someone uh, who has a lot of money, they would be with them. These are more like your person's. So yeah, your person wants other people to. Again, we have the Hierophant and Hierophant together. Wow. Okay, we have so many cards. Nine of Pentacles one more time. See, your person, I'm getting when Seven of Pentacles, and we have King of Swords in here. Okay. Your person wants to take a turn back to you. Okay, I'm getting that your person wants to take a turn back to you, but this person is more like interested in money. This person is more like interested in fast growth, a lot of fast growth. Yes, they are a go getter, but what are they a go getter in? Look at that. They want to have um a lot of other people in their life. They always want some kind of validation, appreciation from someone. So I just said that your person could have insecure. Your person is very insecure. Honestly, they are very insecure, and this is more about they have abandonment issues. They have, and that they have never told you. They never tell this to anyone that they have abandonment issues. This is why they are looking forward for a lot. And I feel like your person shows that they are very rich, but they are not. In reality, they are not. Okay, in reality, they may be a king of swords, so they may be a king. Okay, but then everything is so cold behind the scenes, and the life that they lead is not a very amazing life. This person has tricked a lot of people in their life. Okay, they have not told you that. We have also the Seven of Cups with the Six of Wands, and at that we have Ace of Swords, which means your person always is into materialism. They always want other people to show them that they are the winner. So your person wants other people to show them that they are the winner. Okay, they do they ne- never they're never able to choose. They're never able to choose what is it regarding them that other people should know. Okay, there are so many things that your person um, has been hiding. I'm just getting this particular dark vibes from your person. I don't know why, but sometimes they are like really on the show that look at me, I am the darker person, I am the darker person. But other times they don't let other people know how dark they are inside. So something like that. They've been waiting for their money. They've been waiting for their a lot of pentacles. I don't know, pentacles and pentacles. Nine of Pentacles together, they have come together with the two different decks. And this is regarding the coming back to you. Okay, so yeah, this is something. And we have the Eight of Cups, which I have not received any clarity about. Yeah, they're thinking about you at this particular time. We have the Death card, we have the Five of Swords card. Death and rebirth with the Eight of Cups. This person thought that you are their ticket. Ticket to what? Ticket to a sunlight, ticket to a sunshine. And they couldn't choose. This person could have been your teacher, your guru, something like that. Okay, this person could have been mature to you. but in actual they are not mature. They could be younger to you too. So this person has a lot of sides to them which they don't let other people to know. So this is your person, Knight of Pentacles. They want to marry this Queen of Pentacles, okay, for money, for good fortune, okay. And because they are at their Four of Pentacles, do you understand where this is going? And then they want to show that they are the King of Pentacles. So yeah, your person could be younger or elder to you both, but yeah, so both are there. So other people, different vibes could be there, okay. But yeah, but your person is definitely something that they don't let you know what it is, right? Something like that. They are always in and out, okay. That's their dark side. They are always in and out, and where they are always in and out is probably this: I let you go, I want to come back to you. I let you go, I want to come back to you. They're always in and out. And this is regarding something, in case you've been waiting for your person, they always wanted you as romantic person, as the person who can validate them, who can understand them, who, because this person needs a lot of validation. This person could be in love with someone else before than you, okay. Before you came to this person's life, this person was in love with someone else, okay. There is again Wheel of Fortune here. So that person was also deceived by your person. That is what I'm getting. So your person deceived someone, they were in love with them, then you came into the picture, and they never told you the truth. They always showed you that, you know what, I want to be with you, I want to be with you. Or they do this with every other person that they meet, because they have abandonment issues, they have some insecurities, they want validation, they want a lot of people, you know, to be with them. They need a lot of opportunities, okay. I feel like your person needs a lot of opportunities, like requiring, I am always looking for new opportunities, but with the high society people, with rich people, with new people who can actually give me money, something like that. So I'm not talking about me, I'm talking about your person here, okay. This is about your person, okay. Let me see if there's anything. So they are thinking of you, okay, but they can't let you go. I think your person has um not forgotten. Yeah, look at that. This is the Eight of Cups card, okay. This is moving towards sunshine. This is you, this Eight of Cups. So your person have this particular in mind, and they have some kind of, you know, fire from your side, although this is Eight of Cups, right? So you went away with the fire in your person's heart, life. It could be symbolizing hatred, jealousy, or maybe you were angry with this person, something like that. You left this person with anger. So yeah, this is what your person is feeling. So yeah, something like that, but you left. And with the Five of Swords, for your person, I'm getting they are not able to make a comeback to you, okay. They feel like with you there is a chapter. So yeah, this is about darkest feelings, deep and darkest feelings, right? So they feel like you and this person has a chapter, and that's not disconnecting from their life, but it's symbolizing something for your person, but they are not able to understand what it is. Let me see more cards. I feel like your person has always had a will to grow in finances. I'm not just, you know, but they have taken a lot of decisions which kept them kept them in a low vibrations. Always they have always taken a road which is difficult to understand even. Why would someone choose like that? Okay. So yeah, in case, yeah, let me see more. Okay. Ten of Wands with the Ten of Wands. This is regarding your husband's, your person's, sorry. So yeah, this is an intuitive reading, guys. Okay. This is regarding your person's responsibilities at home. They feel very stuck. They feel like there is a lot of pressure for them. Okay. Lot of pressure. Look at this person's heart also. Crisscrosses a lot of strings to the hearts. 5 strings at least. Nine of Wands is here. Seven of Cups is here again. 2 times. There are repetitions. 3 of Wands. Ace of Pentacles. King of Pentacles. Repetition. 5 of Pentacles. Repetitions. Lovers. Queen of Wands. Your person has this, yeah, your person liked you in a way that they wanted to, have a particular, um I'm not gonna say the word, okay, but if you get the word, okay, this person was never in love with you. Honestly, this person was never in love with you. Never ever. But yes, what they wanted is, look at this, these 2 cards. This is symbolizing, I'm getting sensual, but darkest sensual. These are darkest sensual, but without love, right? So this was not love. This was just for experiment. Okay. So a sexual or sensual experiment. Okay. This is about your person's feeling, and they were never in love with you. Okay. All they care about is this money. All they care about is money. Okay. Again, all they care about is money, and they are looking forward to the Chariot, which means they are going to leave everything. They're going to leave everything and they're going to flow, move forward. This is like Nine of Wands, 5 of Pentacles. Your person is so much afraid to tell you all of this. They still, they don't know where they went wrong. Okay, so this is, your person is in some kind of uh, problem. Okay, in some kind of tension, stress. This is regarding more like um, root chakra and throat chakra. So there is so many things that your person has did something to get money, right? Something to get money, and that has not been very well in this person's life, your person's life. The root chakra could be blocked just because they can't speak. Okay, and they can't show this to you that, yeah, I'm getting the gold digger vibes. I'm getting 50 shades of gray vibes. I'm getting like a lot of trouble vibe, and this is just happening to them. This is just happening to your person. They don't know where they went wrong. They literally don't know where they went wrong. I'm just getting like that, okay? So yeah, I'm covering all the signs in this particular reading. I hope you like this reading. I'm closing this reading right away. Any of you who wants to get your personal readings done, contact me through WhatsApp. Okay, I will see you next time or in your personal readings. Till then, you take care. I will and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.